YouTube, here's the deal. This motor has some blow-by going on, and it's making it leak either through the front seal or the front timing chain gasket. I don't know which it is, but I've replaced both of them, replaced oil pan gasket, all the fucking gaskets. It just has too much internal pressure. I'm about to yank this motherfucker out right now and swap it with another motor. A fucking turd that she's gonna get swapped with. It's a little bit newer of a motor. It's a 91. Has a center bolt valve covers, but everything else is basically the same. So I'm gonna swap the intake, clean the fuck out of it. Obviously it's filthy, and that's not too good. So we'll see what happens. There she is. What kind of fuckery is this? You know? Tube, I got her pretty stripped down right now. Pretty cleaned up. Only engine paint I have is blue, so it's going blue again. Oil pan, bunch of shit in it, obviously. Took it off so I can clean it up, put a new gasket on, and get all this shit out of it and inside the crank. Balancer off. Trying to pull this dirty old thing. Pulled this valve cover off because it's dented right there. I turned that big old dent to a little old dent. Here it is. Just painted it up, changed the timing cover gasket, changed the oil pan gasket. No freeze plugs, just left everything else the way it was. Painted it with no intake on it. And I got to change the valve cover still. But she's ready to swap. But front assemblies off of this bad boy. So basically you got to take off the exhaust, everything connected to the transmission, and motor mounts, and then she'll be out of here. Getting to it. Just remembered I have to take my steering column out. I also got this plate in the other day. Covers my holes back there. She's coming out, got the hood off. Everything's freaking disconnected. Transmission's dangling on a jack down there. Just freaking out. I just have to put this motor with that transmission back. Alright, so I'm not even going to use this motor now. I was putting the flex plate on back there, and I happened to jiggle the crank around. I noticed there's a ton of, this is loose, but there's a, you can listen in here. This whole sucker's sliding back and forth. When I got a different motor from Matt and his little brother, he totally hooked it up, and I'm gonna use that one, but my marine battery's freaking out. But anyways, motor's all done. Freaking everything's hooked up. Gotta loosen this belt a little. It's a little too tight. Just dumped 2 gallons transmission fluid in it. The belt's way too tight, but she runs good. That belt keeps smoking because it's like doing a burnout the whole time. Like the gears, 2 gallons of trans fluid. Oh yeah, she goes into gear. Right, YouTube. About to take her on her first drive with this new motor. Y'all seen how new this puppy was before. Pulled all its rat shit out of it. But first drive right here. About to see how she goes. Hopefully I got everything tied down, zip tied up. Oh. Pavement with the old